Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. So today's video is going to be a little bit different in terms of the perspective. Again, yes, we are still in the kitchen here. We've got some Christmas lights going on with the keyboard at the back. We do have this little happy lion here as well. And we have a couple of gifts sent over by Baseus. Now, if you are not familiar with the brand Baseus, these guys, they basically create all kinds of solutions for your smartphones, mobile accessories, power banks, cables, all sorts of stuff. They actually have quite a fair bit of stuff in their store, so feel free to check out the links down below. But yes, today is all about unboxing these presents here from Baseus. I personally am not too sure what kind of products are in here, so we're going to go and do this together in today's video. So yes, we do have 3 presents here. One with the smaller size, medium size, and the large size one. So of course, we have to start off with the largest one. So we're going to unbox this very quickly. It is actually wrapped up really nicely over here. I'm not sure if you can see the wrapping, but it looks very, very cute. And just so you know, the lion at the back there is actually the mascot for Baseus. Alright, let's unbox this present. It looks very nice here, quite heavy as well. I'm just going to pull this tab very quickly and unbox this. Okay, we're going to push this out. Looks like... oh! Alright, so this is a car vacuum cleaner. It is a Baseus. The model is called the A3 car vacuum cleaner. And based on the brief details that I have on the back here, this vacuum cleaner here is obviously meant for your cars. If you have a car or a vehicle right now and you have a lot of dirt around on the seats, you can actually use this A3 vacuum cleaner to vacuum around in the car itself. So of course, we're going to unbox this to see how it actually looks like on the inside as well. It looks like a tube or like a thermos flask. And yeah, this is how the vacuum cleaner looks like. Again, it's not too heavy here. Like what they said, it is a metal body. You have a Type-C charging port over here. And let's see how do we actually power this on. You have a power button. And yeah, it just started vacuuming. So 3 levels of power here. Suction power on this vacuum cleaner. So this is the first gift here. We're going to go on to the next one. If we continue doing this, we might take a lot of time. We're going to go for the second size product right here. Let's open this little box very quickly and see what's inside this one. This is the True wireless earphones. The model is WM01. So I was actually searching about this particular model. Let me just see how much is the price. It is going for just $39.90, so a very, very affordable pair of wireless earbuds over here. This is the box of the packaging of the wireless earbuds. It's super duper small here. This is probably the smallest charging case I've ever seen. 40 ringgit for this thing right here. Yeah, you can find more information about these products down in the links below. So yep, that is the second gift from Baseus. We do have one final gift here. It looks so nicely wrapped up that I find it a bit sad to unbox this, but yeah, we got to do it. So we're going to do it very quickly right now. And yep, and this is actually a mini magnetic wireless charger. So I'm guessing this is actually for those of you who use iPhones, it is a standard kind of charger. It sticks onto the back of your phone. All right, so we're going to unbox this right now and see how this mini charger looks like. And oh, so it's this is a black version, and this is how it looks like. You have this puck right here that you just attach to your iPhone 12 series smartphones to charge it up wirelessly. You can find the links down below. So these are just the gifts that was sent over by Baseus. Just a very quick one once more. This is the Baseus A3 car vacuum cleaner. It does get a little bit loud. You also have the WM01 wireless earbuds, which is actually super tiny over here. And of course, we do have this wireless charger for the iPhone 12 series. I'm sure it will work with the iPhone 13 as well. Alright, so those are the gifts that we have here today. Last but not least, again, thank you so much to Baseus for sending in these wonderful gifts. If you are looking for a Christmas gift to purchase, don't forget to check out the Baseus store. More information are down in the links below. Find out more about Baseus over there. And last but not least, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you guys out there. Do stay safe and take care. Bye!